Hello everybody, thanks, welcome to the bush. You guys, you know there are things that work with your body and things that don't work with your body. And everybody's body are different bodies. You can see that? Yeah. Especially when you come from a bush and you know what you eat and what you can't eat. Nee. Now the problem are with myself, I and me, is that I can't eat fruit. You know. Like a pawpaw, a pawpaw, a lemon, a melon. And things like that, because what happened when I eat it, nee, it go in here and it go out there. Somewhere, almost instantly. Okay, like 2-minute noodles. Instant, just put hot water, gat uit. Yeah. Now my friend, very clever, my bestest friend, nee. You would think that your friends, you can trust them. Okay, your best friend. Okay. He tell me, oh Barry, why don't you just do the juice cleansing challenge? I'm like, juice? I said, I like juice. But little did I know, my friend didn't tell me what happened by day number 3. Now, this morning, we're day number 3. Like that. So, here I is. Wake up by the morning. I stand up. We are by a lodge, okay? So, our trying to be properly, okay? Next moment, I run with the speed of a constipated hedgehog to the toilet. Okay, to the restroom. I don't know why they call it a restroom, because you don't rest there, you squeeze there. Yeah. So I sit in there, and now, day number 3. This or the day that Crazy Barry have given birth to an effluent. Yeah, from my exhaust pipe. Okay. So, amongst this holy outburst that came from my exhaust pipe, you know what I found? 5 bloody marbles. Yep. A whole packet of jelly tots. Still in a packet. Yeah. And little parts of a He-Man mannequin. Because when I was 11 years old, I took up another challenge where I said I could swallow a whole He-Man mannequin. So if you put it together, it'll still become a He-Man mannequin. Now, the problem that I have with this thing is, nee, it went in and it went out. Okay. I feel violated, number 1. Number 2, I lost so much kilograms, 4 kilograms, nee. As ek poep, dan styg ek op. Okay, I levitate. So, now I are asking you guys very friendly. If your chommy tells you about some sort of mutie that work for allerlei goedes he, don't trust him. Okay, unless you really trust him. Because now, I need a new bestest friend. Okay. You look quite pretty there with your face there. It's a pretty, I poof so much I can't even feel my bloody face. Okay, thanks.